Hi, did you know that Boston Scientific manufactures over 100 products which are sold to about 37,000 hospitals in 120 countries? Let me share some more details. Do allow me to look at my notes while I share details for Boston Scientific Group. The stock code is BSX and the company is based out of Massachusetts in US. It's listed on the New York Stock Exchange and was started in 1979. It's about a 41-year-old company and it went public in 1992. Their core business is manufacturing of medical devices across 80 categories, and they specialize in minimally invasive medical devices, which means which require very small area for them to get an instrument into your body. In terms of value, as I said that they are sold to about 37,000 hospitals across the world, and 42% of the sales for this company are actually outside the US. In terms of products, they have four main categories. The first is Med Surg, under which they have endoscopy, where one of the technologies they use is called spyglass, which is used for digital imaging and wide lens view for inside your body. Second is the Epic stent, which is a laser cut self-expanding metal stent used for endoscopy. Also under urology and pelvic health, they have devices for stone lasers, urethral stents, sheaths and guide wires. Second category is rhythm and neuro, under which they have cardiac rhythm management, in which they make pacemakers and implantable cardiac therapy pacemakers. They have a technology called Latitude, which helps in remote patient management. It is used to monitor implantable system performance remotely by doctors. And they also have electrophysiology, which is the manufacture of less invasive medical technologies used in the diagnosis and treatment of rhythm disorders of the heart. They have a product called Rhythmia, which is a 3D cardiac mapping and navigation solution. Next is Neuromodulation, which is for treatment of neurological disorders and chronic pain. They have a technology called the deep brain simulation, in which it's a system for the treatment of Parkinson's disease and tremors as well. Third category is cardiovascular, in which they have interventional cardiology, which is for treating coronary artery disease and structural heart conditions. Then they have peripheral interventions, which is the manufacture of stents, pressure guide wire, iLab ultrasound imaging systems. These systems are used for the diagnosis and treatment of blocked vessels, angioplasty, balloon technologies as well. They also have a technology called AngioJet, which are endovascular procedures to remove blood clots from blocked arteries and veins. Fourth is specialty pharmaceuticals, which is to develop and manufacture acute care antidotes to treat overexposure to toxins. In terms of manufacturing, they have 10 principal manufacturing facilities, out of which one is US, 3 are in Ireland, 2 are in Costa Rica, 1 Brazil, 1 Malaysia, 1 Puerto Rico, and 1 in Switzerland. They also have research centers spread all across the world, including China, Costa Rica, India, Ireland, Puerto Rico, and UK. In terms of revenue, they did about 10 billion sales in 2019 with an income of 687 million. For reference, in 2015, their revenue was about 7 billion with a 650 million loss in that year. It's a large cap company with a market cap of 60 billion US dollars, and their research and development spend for 2019 was about 1 billion US dollars. They have a staggering amount of employees, which is 36,000 employees spread all across the globe. And their current CEO is Mr. Michael Mahoney, who is the CEO since 2012. He has studied at the University of Iowa and the Wake Forest University. The current competitors for Boston Scientific in the market include Johnson & Johnson, Medtronic, and AngioDynamics, among others. Thank you so much.